Food was the big thing. My grandmother, because my mother almost starved to death, literally, my mother died, never had a hair on her head as a result of malnutrition. As a result, my grandmother over-worshipped food, and particularly baked goods. So she stuffed me. Typically, for breakfast, she'd make oatmeal, a couple of eggs, a piece of bread. That seemed like enough for most grown people, and I wasn't grown yet. And then milk and a piece of pie. And why would I turn it down? It smelled so good. She just made it. And then I'd say, I'm going to school. And she'd say, and she wouldn't say, she would stuff cookies into my jacket pocket in case I got hungry on the way to school. School was 2 blocks away. I had just had 18,000 calories. No chance I'd get hungry. But guess who ate the cookies on the way to school? And ever since then, one of the legacies is I have a little mishigas about food, and I have to be very careful, because if I ate just the way I was programmed, we wouldn't be sitting in one room. We'd need a room and a half. So food was very special, and all the dishes, I love them. I mean, of course, she killed meat. Jewish meat is not known for its great Epicurean values, and the chicken was boiled to death. But I loved the dairy dishes and sour cream with everything. I'd put it on oatmeal. I mean, although I do it with yogurt now, so maybe it's not so crazy. But chopped liver, chopped eggplant salad. I loved all of those things. Food was very important to me, overly important, and I loved what she made.